Today we are in the chickens, and I have a very special announcement for my chickens. Fat Gus right there is going to be a dad. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, we got an incubator, and that's weird. We got an incubator so he can have chicks, because we've been having a lot of oh, and excuse from I haven't been posting. I know I've been sick and I'm cold right now, but we got an incubator like last night, and we're gonna learn how to do that, and I'm gonna give you like a full day process. So welcome back to Farm Wild, and that's what we're gonna be doing for the next 21 days or something. Is that? So see you back. I know this is more like a short video, but it's just announcements. It's not really we're doing stuff. But I will show you the incubator we got from Tractor Supply, and because Tractor Supply is awesome, and this is the incubator we got, the Nurture Right 360, and there it is. Though I can't wait to get it running so I can have chickens, or chicks, because we're gonna be selling chicks to other people. And that's all I have to say for today. Peace.